Yep, and we're back. Greetings, my people. So me I did the intro them nowadays. Welcome to the channel. You know it's AP and Queen Jody, looking fabulous as ever. No problem. So family, we're walking. We're walking to the main road to get a cab to go to check on our vehicle. Mama Africa, I am coming home, back to the place where I belong. Yes, I can see it clearly now. Black seed, we are black seed to the motherland. Don't wanna be a slave in this your land. Tell them, say them can't touch we any day, can't touch we any day, just can't touch we any day. Yeah, family. So we're making a stroll out. It's cool. This section of the Gambia is called Woolinkama. As you can see, it's getting developed. You know, shout out to everybody that's building their house. You know, in the Gambia right now. It look like a shop setting, so yeah, but it's cool.
Not like if we can do it up, build inside of the house concrete. I will do that.
Yeah.
Like even if the whole or the outside concrete, but like the separation for the rooms, them. If we can do it up, make the separation for the rooms in concrete.
That would be good. I don't know. Maybe we can actually do that. Make it more
to me, it makes
nature friendly.
Interior designing more
Easier.
Because if you did want to change around something, a space, like for instance, which part you used to have your living room, you want to turn it in one room, and you know, you're easier for like, instead of you go lick out wall, you can just take out the board then.
That is true. No, seriously. Exercising. Tell you, so we need to do more of this, you know. Just come out and walk. Really? This kind of tricky right now. See another nice land here. So this look nice. This is very nice.
This look like
somewhere tropical. What is this tropical? 20 by. This look like 20 by 40 probably. The size. Just dope. That's. I wanted. Maybe I want something wider than that. Actually, it looks shorter than 20. It looks shorter than 20 by 40. Probably 15 by something.
somebody take extra.
Yeah. Hey. It's windy today, guys. Yeah. Oh my God. Where we used to live, it just take like 10 minutes to reach at the road. It's gonna take a little bit longer for us to reach at the road today. It's cool. Yeah, we gotta go that way then. I think near a car come to. Oh, stop.
Could I tell him to come down from the road and turn down to the junction?
Yeah, but him say him soon reach, so like we just walk now.
Soon reach, I reach.
Soon, Jody, soon. Where is the people in for Jody? The size of it also look nice. Cassava is a big thing in the Gambia as well. I remember in Jamaica, cassava is there as well, but it's not as valuable as it is in the Gambia.
So, let me understand something now. Like in a South Sudan, if you have enough cow, you're wealthy. So, I have to go find out from them
how much cassava?
Yeah.
How much cassava you need for?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a school. Yeah. Passing the school. Yeah.
So, that's cool though. I'll go. The Korean then teach them?
Yeah. It's a Muslim school. No, I don't think they teach them anything else. I don't know. We'd have to find that out. But when I think Africa need right now is more skill training. You know, how to train the youths them for make use of the natural resources that are around them. And how to make the place better for them. You see it? Yeah. Wow. Maybe I should the rainy season have come. That's why the sun feels so hot. Because before the sun never used to bother me this much. Yeah, these are strong tree. Yes. Nice cool shade from the sun. I'll come across some beautiful houses. You're the one who tell me for walk. What no? Sure. You're Epi, hurry up, the guys out there. I know she has stopped to talk to about tree now. Gotcha. Alright, check this house. My God, guys, sorry about the jump bumble. Jody, hold the water back there for me. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, the design, is this tile? Looks good. There's some really nice houses in the Gambia. Wolenkama is a quiet area. It's nice, peaceful. I love that.
Oh no.
What? Oh my God.
Is that a cow?
Is that a donkey?
A donkey?
Yeah, him just lie down there. No.
Like...
Jody thinks something happened to him. Nah, this one is just lying down. You never pass and see cow them. See mother there over there, so.
Oh.
You never pass and see cow them.
Because you know what? The other day, I just saw like they leave a donkey all by himself to die.
Check this house out.
This is cool.
It's a beautiful house. Yes. I want to build something like this.
This is a really nice design.
Cost trillions of dollars to build something like that. That they are trying to tell you. The next one over there, sir. The house designs, man, are beautiful. Yeah. Soon reach near to the road now.
Road them man. Pretty house and bad road. You come out when the man sing.
Bad character. Rise up. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise. We shall overcome, no matter how they try to chain me. We shall overcome, yeah. I say no matter how them try to break us inside. Yeah. Yeah. This me how we go to the people. My sandals what me make. You see Jody me here wear the same, you know, sandal type. Yeah. Yes. Hi. Okay. So another nice building here. Right there, sir. Sweet. Wow. Ah? Nakala?
You know answer me?
No. I'm recording, Jody. Why are you walloping me in the morning?
We have to learn it now.
Jody, Nakala.
No, you can't do that. Me
Hey.
start the conversation.
Did it. Tanga
Yes.
def.
Jamaic.
Mangi ko.
My fine.
Hey. And say go. Where do it wrong? Yangi cool.
You say Mangi fine.
Okay. Mangi fine. This is a lot of workout. What? Line over yourself for sale. See all the number there. Get every seat good.
0277.
Yeah?
Yeah, 302.
0.
I hear that I say.
Don't even know.
0 or 3.
You have to find out. Yes. I like the wall again. This is nice. This never did there the last time we had drive past. It was?
Yes, always there.
Okay.
Tile is not such a bad thing, you know.
No,
But you know
because
what
this.
is bad?
What?
When they wash the tile,
And the water coming
come
at the
out
road.
like, but you know, such road no good.
So a nice plateau too.
The road no good. Go
Yeah.
like place soak and water.
That is true. Wow. There's the main road, there's a truck passing. Not a nice house building. A borehole. And solar too. Nice. Hey, this cow is coming. I thought she was coming at us. Yeah. I might just wrap up here so until we reach the mechanic shop.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm feeling hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Baby is feeling hungry.
Rise up and see no breakfast in the house here.
Alive, but no breakfast. Assalamu alaikum.
Alright, there's the Civic High School, so we're here now. Yay!
Jaja keep me far from me enemies. They wanna take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray for